How to integrate ChatGPT with Visual Studio Code. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate ChatGPT with Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. Even though Visual Studio Code has a built-in AI that is Copilot because both of them are of Microsoft, but however, you can also use various other GPTs in order to use it in the Visual Studio Code. So in order to get them, what you're going to do is click on extensions over here, and once you do so, you're going to search for GPT. And over here, you'll be able to see GPT by OpenAI. So you can simply click on it. And once you do so, you're going to click on install. You can see that I have already installed it, but however, you can simply click on install. And once you click on install, you can see that there are some supported models, that is 03 mini, 01, 01 mini, GPT 4.0, 4 mini, 4 turbo, 3.5 turbo. Now, what you're going to do is, if you wish to get started, you can simply click on set your API key. And over here, what you're going to do is you can get an API key from OpenAI's website. So simply click on OpenAI website, and here you can click on open. So once you click on open, you'll be redirected to the OpenAI's interface. So over here, what you're going to do is click on dashboard. Here, you'll be able to see an option that says dashboard. So simply click on it. And so what you're going to do is click on API keys at the left side. So once you click on API keys, you'll be able to see something like this. You can simply click on create a new secret key. And here you can write down a name for the test key. This is totally optional. And after that, you're going to click on default project, click on create secret key. And once you have created the key, you can simply click on copy and head over to your Visual Studio Code. Now, once you're here in your Visual Studio Code, you're going to click on Control, Shift, and then P. And over here, you're going to type down this GPT equal set API key. So just type that down, GPT : set API key, and then press on it. So once you do so, you're going to paste your API key over here and then press enter. So then what you're going to do is simply click on Control Shift P again, and here you can click on Ask GPT and ask any question from GPT. So that is basically how you can integrate ChatGPT with Visual Studio Code. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.